Hi Covenant family. I wanted to make a video really quick to go over trunk or treat and the differences we will see this year. I would like you to notate the time change of 7 p.m. instead of 7:30. So first off, the most important part is we need trunks. So I know some of you have told me that you're not very artsy or creative, so I have included a couple of pictures of ones that look like they were pretty easy to put together. I know this one in general is all Dollar Tree. So all of that stuff can be purchased at Dollar Tree. It's really easy to put together a trunk. It's not an artistic thing. It doesn't have to be. I really just need people there to show these kids that we're going to have a great trunk or treat, especially after the year that they've had. So COVID has ruined a lot for them, but we're going to make sure that it doesn't ruin Halloween for them. So the first rule this year is not to bring your own candy. The church will be providing all of the candy. We will probably be making goodie bags with gloves and masks. All of the candy will be purchased a week prior and then kept in a box in the church office so that any like germies or anything on it will it'll have over a week to go away. So with the candy being provided by the church and we don't want everybody touching on it, we will have tables in front of the cars so the kids aren't going close to people's cars, which would be more germs. Instead, you can decorate this table and then I'm going to put a bowl on it with your goodie bags or whatever in it. So you can choose to decorate your car or the table or both. And I really would love to see like some costumes and stuff this year if you want to. If you don't, I'm totally fine with that. So whatever you're comfortable with, I really just need people. So the schedule this year is 7 to 7:30 is 5 and under trunk or treat, and then 7:30 to 8 we will have 6 and up trunk or treat. This will allow for some social distancing, and it'll allow for those parents of those younger ones to get them in bed a little bit earlier. So from 7:30 to 8, while the 6 and up group is trunk or treating, the 5 and under will be watching the movie. It's Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown, and then from 8 to 9:30 after their trunk or treat is over, we'll have a movie for the older age group as well. So my needs are fire pits. We're going to roast some marshmallows. We're figuring out how to do that to where it's sanitary and hands aren't touching the food. We're also going to be needing some monetary donations for candy and goodie bags and little trinkets to go in those. So if you are able, you can write a check to the church and just put trunk or treat on it. You can do it with PushPay and put trunk or treat on it. Or if you want to email me, and I'm going to provide my email in a minute, I'll provide you with our PayPal. And those are the 3 ways we'll take monetary donations, and we really appreciate it. I'm grateful for anything. I need trunks. I really need people to come and set up trunks. And if you aren't artistic or creative, I will help you. I would love to. I need volunteers to help out, putting goodie bags together and possibly directing traffic and other things that night. You will be required to wear a mask, as will people who are doing trunk or treat standing at their cars behind the tables will also be required to wear a mask. And you can sit behind the table, stand behind the table, whatever works for you. We also need prayers. As always, we want to make sure that we are showing the community that we love them, we're supporting our community, and that we're giving these kids a really great time. And I just hope that you will help me and guide me and pray for me as we go through all of this. So how to contact me, my email is elenamorrison96@gmail.com. You can email me there anytime. I'm pretty responsive. But thank you so much. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Please sign up for trunk or treat. I'll be providing a link soon for signups. Have a wonderful day, everyone.